Please stand for the pledge.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Now be seated.
Welcome, dear friends. Today is Friday 13th. That's all for the welcome. That's all. Can Kelsey
That's for World News. Thank you for donating. That's really help. And we have an extended week, and we need people to purchase red tickets. We need a lot more people, and we're low right now. That's all I have. Now turning it over to Sammy with the letter.
Thanks, Kelsey. I'll make sure to buy some of those red tickets. Today will be cloudy and rainy. It won't be quite as warm as it has been either. We will only get to the lower 50s today. That's still warm though. Now turning it over to Isabel with sports.
Thank you, Sammy. And for sports today, the Reds enjoy sharing the field with Will Ferrell. That's all for sports. Now turning over to Hunter with games to watch.
For games to watch, we have the Kings at 76ers, Heat at Raptors, Bulls at Hornets, Magic at Celtics, and Timberwolves at Thunder. That's all I have for games to watch. And we're here at Sophia with our Jason Parrish.
Thank you, Smitty, thank you for donating a lot of food for the food drive. That's amazing that you guys helped us. And for birthdays today, we have Samuel Hart and Drake Geiger. Happy birthday and enjoy your cake. Now turning over to me, Smitty, with the tip of the day. Smitty, how do you spell Mississippi?
Mississippi.
Haha, you said pee-pee. Bye, Bell Shire!